2020-2021 Texas Bluebonnet Award nominee, New Kid. Now, New Kid is a graphic novel, so instead of reading the first chapter, I'm just going to read the summary because, as you know, graphic novels, the pictures are very, very important for understanding the dialogue that's happening in here. Seventh grader Jordan Banks loves nothing more than drawing cartoons about his life, but instead of sending him to the art school of his dreams, his parents enroll him in a prestigious private school known for its academics, where Jordan turns out to be one of the few kids of color in his entire grade. As he makes his daily trip from Washington Heights apartment to the upscale Riverdale Academy Day School, Jordan soon finds himself torn between two worlds and not really fitting into either one. Middle schools are hard enough without all the unspoken rules and expectations that come with being the new kid. Can Jordan learn to navigate his new school culture while keeping his neighborhood friends and staying true to himself? New Kid.